Hey everyone, today we're going to be going through the steps of how to get started in Python on Windows 11. However, a near identical process can be followed if you're on a Mac. The first thing we are going to do is go to Google and search for Python download. This will bring you to python.org. From here, you can simply download the latest version of Python, which for me is currently Python 3.12.1. However, if you're looking for an alternative version of Python, such as Legacy Python 2, there is a download drop-down list that you can click through and find what you're looking for. Now that our file is done downloading, we can go to our Downloads folder and run the file. Once the installer has completed installing Python, we can move on to the next step, which is selecting a text editor to use, so that you can actually enter and run your Python codes. Although there are some great, free, integrated design environments, IDEs, we're just going to run a quick test, and therefore our default Windows text editor will be sufficient. So, let's go down to our Windows search bar and type Notepad, and open that up. Let's enter a little bit of Python code, so let's just do the generic hello world string print. So, this bit of Python code is saying, let's print out hello world when this program is run. Now, we can go up to our file and save this file somewhere we can easily find it. So I'm going to save it on our desktop. Ensuring to save it as a Python file, we'll call it helloworld.py. The .py indicating that it's a Python file. To run this file, let's open up our command prompt from our Windows search bar, and then let's right-click on our newly created Hello World Python file and copy the path. Now, inside our command prompt, right-clicking will paste our newly copied file path. There you go. We have just downloaded Python 3.12 and ran our first program on it. I hope that this video helped you get started on Python 3.12 on Windows 11. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.